how to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether it's for personal records or official use, if you want to download your Facebook Messenger chat, then I'll show you how to do it safely and efficiently. Now, let's dive right in. First, open your Facebook app. Now, under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. And then in Account Center, you'll see More in Account Center, tap on it. Define your information and permissions, tap on it. And then tap on Download Your Information. Tap on Download or Transfer Information. Now here type on Specific Types of Information. And you'll have to tap on Messages. Go to Next. And then choose to download to device or transfer to destination. If you tap on download to device, it will be downloaded to your iPhone. If you tap on transfer to destination, then you'll have to select a destination which can be your Google Drive or your Dropbox. And you can also choose how often do you want it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.